Hello everybody, welcome to a video about the General Liu rifle. Yeah, let's get into it. Anyways, so this is a medic class rifle. There's two of them, the Storm and the other one. I forget, let me go look it up. The other variant is it's the factory, and then the Storm variant. The internals about the gun is a 6-round magazine that is clip fed. It is quite powerful. It has a cool feature where you can actually swap the changing firing, like the fire, how you load the bullet. It's either a semi-automatic rifle or a bolt-action rifle. And cool thing, in the game, when you turn it to be a bolt-action rifle, it does more damage at a cost of slower fire rate. In real life, it wouldn't do it because you're still firing the same bullet at the same speed. But in Battlefield 1, you can do it so you just have better bullets. It's weird, it's wacky, but I like it. It's so fun to use. It's very similar to the 1903 experimental, but I think it's better because the experimental has a much longer bolt changing speed, and I'm not a big fan of the Peterson device which the experimental uses. And yeah, it's a really good weapon. I hope you guys enjoy the gameplay. Me with the General Liu rifle. I am so good with it. Totally I am. But I just wanted to make this video because I like the rifle a lot. It's very fun to use. I remember the first time I ever used it was on Zardyism. At least I think it was pronounced. The one with the Russian Revolution map with the big church. Love that. Got like 30 kills with it in a single match with it, and it was that was the first time I ever used it, and I was like, oh my god, I love this gun. And I've been just loving it since, and it's fun to use, and I wanted to make a video about it. I know it's weird, but I also think another really interesting thing about it, it alludes to it in the game description, but the dude who made the weapon, it's only a prototype. The dude got a stroke after he made the weapon, and then things kind of got lost in just kind of not bureaucracy, but it just kind of got lost, and some dude found it, or I forget the exact, they eventually they were like, okay, let's get this to factory, but by then it was already too obsolete because a single action rifle, there was also bolt, and probably added a lot to the cost. It wasn't super useful. I don't get why it can swap to a bolt, like in real life. I don't get why that would be a purpose. I don't know. It's weird. It's a weird, wacky weapon, and we like weird, wacky weapons on the Magnificent Media Manor channel. I know it's a long-ass name. I don't know why I chose it, but hey, it rhymes. It's all rhythmic. Anyways, enjoy the rest of this gameplay. There's gonna be no more audio or me talking. I just wanted you to write that little part.